Hello. Today we have to repair a Schneider PLC power supply unit. It seems to be in short because the 24 volts, the 24 volts power supply voltage is dropping down when it's connected. So let's open it and see what is happening inside really. After some measurements, it turned out that one of these transistors and a protection diode are in short. So we have to change it to see if the failure occurs still, it solved the problem, or we have other problems here on this power supply board. So at the end, the damaged transistor was changed together with the protection diode, and there was a fuse which was blown too. So right now everything seems to be okay at this moment, and I think that we should put it under power and to test if the unit is having other problems or not. At the end, it seems that everything is okay with this board, so we will pack it back in its case and send it back to the customer. So the unit is ready, it's repaired, and it's ready to be shipped back in Italy. Actually, this unit came to us to be repaired right from Italy. So it means that there are not many technicians to be able to repair such kind of equipments. We're glad to serve our clients as fast as we can, and with warranty we usually give 12 months warranty for all the equipment that we are repairing, unless if there are other requirements from our customers. So I'm applying the It Was Hungary sticker on it. So the unit is sealed by us, and it's ready to be packed and shipped back to Italy. Thank you very much that you were with me for these minutes, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.